Students, welcome to this session. In previous session, we learnt about the three forms of water and also the three states of water, that is solid, liquid and gaseous states. Once again, we have to remember that, student. Solid state. Ice is a solid form of water. At temperature below 0 degrees centigrade, water becomes ice. This process is called freezing. Liquid state. Water in liquid state is available in water bodies such as ocean, river, waterfalls, etc. Third one is gaseous state. Water becomes water vapor as the temperature increases due to heat. Heating forms a white mist of extremely small water droplets in the air known as water vapor. Today we are going to learn water cycle and rainwater harvesting. In water cycle, the processes took place, that is evaporation, condensation, precipitation. First of all, we want to know what is water cycle. The continuous cycle through which water is circulated by different processes like evaporation, condensation and precipitation is called water cycle. In nature, water keeps changing its state. Let us see how this happens. Due to the sun's heat, water in oceans and rivers changes into water vapor and rises up. The first process is evaporation. What is evaporation? Water becoming water vapor on heating is called evaporation. The water vapor, when comes into contact with cool air, becomes water droplets. This is called condensation. The water droplets combine together to form clouds. The water droplets continue to combine and they become big and heavy. These water droplets then fall down as rain. Or children then fall down as rain. This is called precipitation. This is called precipitation. In colder places like Simla, Kashmir, Ooty, Kodaikanal, Valparai, the water droplets combined and come down as snow, sleet, or hail. This continuous change of water from one state to another in nature is called water cycle. The continuous cycle through which water is circulated by different processes like evaporation, condensation, and precipitation is called water cycle. There is a water cycle that occurs continuously. Water changes its state from solid to liquid, liquid to gas, again gas to liquid in this cycle. The cycle this processes takes place continuously. Let us move on to more to know, children. Each day we lose a little more than a cup of water when we exhale, that is breathing out. Human body consists of 75% of water. Each day we lose a little more than a cup of water when we exhale. 73% of our brain's mass consists of water. 73%. The Antarctic region has about 70% of the world's fresh water. Which place? Antarctic region. H2O is the chemical formula of water, that is hydrogen and oxygen combined and we are getting water. 1 inch of rainfall on a 2000 square feet roof is equal to 4800 liters of water. That is 1 inch of rainfall on a 2000 square feet roof is equal to 4800 liters of water. Now let us know about the importance of water cycle. To improve the availability of groundwater, to control the earth's temperature, to provide water to plants and animals, especially humans, to recycle the earth's supply of water constantly, to recycle the earth's supply of water constantly. Now let us move on to the rainwater harvesting. What is rainwater harvesting? Rainwater harvesting is the process of collecting and storing rainwater for future use. Rainwater can be collected in natural reservoirs, that is lakes, ponds, rivers, all the natural reservoirs or artificial tanks. Next one is the rooftop harvesting is also a type of rainwater harvesting. The rainwater on the top of the building is collected and passed into the ground through pipes. Water passing through the pipes enters the pit, which consists of gravel and coarse sand. As it passes, impurities are filtered and stored as groundwater. Benefits of rainwater harvesting: it increases groundwater level. It increases the underground water level. It can be used for agricultures. It increases the availability of water for living things, that is animals, birds, and human beings, etc. Rainwater harvesting is the only way to conserve rainwater. Let me know more about the rainwater harvesting, students. The rainwater harvesting was launched in the year 2001 by the Tamil Nadu government. Tamil Nadu is the first Indian state which made rainwater harvesting as mandatory. Mandatory means compulsory. It is compulsory. Let us do one thing, children. Tips to construct a rainwater harvesting pit at school or home. Construct a pit of any shape or size. It may be generally constructed 1 to 2 meters wide and 2 to 3 meter depth. The pits can be filled with boulders, gravels, and coarse sand. Put the boulders in the bottom, sand in the top, and gravels in the middle. Now, you want to know how to use wisely water. Water your yard and outdoor plants early or late in the day to reduce evaporation. Take shorter showers, 5 minutes or less is best. Foot faucet apparatus on sink faucets. Install new toilets that use less than 1.6 gallons per flush. Use plants that require less water. Get an Energy Star in labeled washing machine. Wash only full loads. Turn off the water while soaping hands and brushing teeth. Turn off sink faucet while scrubbing dishes and pots. Use low flow shower head. Use a shut off nozzle on your hose. These are the some tips to wise water use. That's all about children. Thank you. Have a nice day.